In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the child door lock feature on your 2010 to 2013 Mazda 3. This feature is only on the rear doors, not the front doors. Once you activate the feature, you can only open the door from the outside, not from the inside. So let's go ahead and open up the rear left door for now. And right there, when you open up the door, that's the switch. That's for the child door lock. There's even a small symbol on it over there. See that? So push it down, and now the feature is activated. I can still open the door from outside. Let's see what happens from the inside. I cannot open the door no matter what I do. In order to deactivate the feature, all I have to do is just push the switch back in its original position, and that's it. Now let's see what happens. It's locked. I cannot open. And now I can open. And that's pretty much it. Now let's move on to the right side door. Same process. Open up the door. That's a switch right there. Push it down to activate the feature. Again, I can open the door from outside even when the feature is activated. Let's see what happens from the inside now. I should not be able to open the door. And that's exactly what happens. I cannot open the door. In order to deactivate the feature, open the door and push the switch back in its original position. Just like that. See, I can open the door from the outside. And now, let's see what happens from the inside. I should be able to open the door from inside. And now I can. That's pretty much it.